Since winter is around the corner, make this special dessert and enjoy it with your loved one. Let's make one pot kunafa today in air fryer. These are all the ingredients that I'll be needing to make the kunafa. Kunafa dough, cream, pure ghee, mozzarella cheese, chopped pistachios, and sugar syrup. I'll not use the complete kunafa dough because then it will be too much. I'll just use half of the quantity and half I'll store it in the fridge for future use. Shred the kunafa dough by your hands. You can also use scissors. After shredding the kunafa dough, I'll transfer them into a bowl and I'll add around 4 tablespoons of pure ghee. Mix the kunafa dough with the ghee till the kunafa dough is completely coated. Now in a separate bowl, I'll add the cream and whisk it till there is no lumps left, so it will be easy for me to spread it. You can use any baking pan, but here I'm using mud pot. I'll just brush it with the ghee to avoid burning on the bottom. Then I'll spread the kunafa dough that was coated with pure ghee halfway through. Pour the lumps-free cream and spread it nicely all over. Now I'll add the shredded mozzarella cheese. And again top it with the remaining kunafa dough. I'll pop it in the air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes in 80 degrees. Here is the fresh, hot, sizzling homemade kunafa. Nothing is better than that. At last, I'll pour sugar syrup and top the kunafa with chopped pistachios. This is the best kunafa that I've made. If you guys like this recipe, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.